Never mind, I'll find someone like you. And I wish nothing but the best for you too. Don't forgive me, oh babe. I remember you say sometimes it lasts love, but sometimes it hurts to nothing compares, no worries escape, regrets and mistakes, no memories made. But wouldn't know how bittersweet and this would take. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. And I wish nothing but the best for you too. And don't forget me, oh babe. I remember you say that sometimes it lasts love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. And I wish nothing but the best for you too. And don't forget me, how bad I remember you say that sometimes it hurts instead. Woo!
Meg, the tone of your voice is stunning. I felt choked on a couple of parts then. That was absolutely lush. Well done, babes. Zoe.
I absolutely adored every second of that. Like, I love Adele. She's literally my idol, and I can honestly say you did that song so much justice. It was so passionate, and it was so raw and mature, and it was absolutely, like, you smashed it. It was stunning. The only thing I'm going to say, because if you're successful, it's the quarterfinals next week, just make sure you're finishing your words. Just make sure your diction's a bit more clear, but that's if I'm being really picky. Like, you smashed that. Honestly, be so proud of yourself. It was amazing. Well done.
Thanks, Zoe. Kelly, I love the theatrical element of that song and how you made that sound like a theatre song, but in a really good way. Your light and shade was absolutely amazing, and you just made it work for your voice. You really made it suit your voice. You gave that song so much variety with what you did with your voice, the way you flipped into your head voice, and when you were in your head voice, it was so vulnerable and so raw. You managed to cram so much emotion into that and really tell a story with a song that, quite frankly, is overdone, but I've never heard it sound like you sang it, and I just thought it was my favourite performance of the night. I thought it was absolutely spot on, absolutely amazing. Well done. Thanks, Joey.
Genuinely, I gotta say to you, I was really concerned about this song, really concerned, because I thought, oh, it's not a very, like, it doesn't give it off a diva sort of vibe. But that for me, apart from the one note at the end where you went to go up, you could have kept that down if you wanted. That was like the best I've heard you this season, 100% hands down. It was the most professional I've seen you come across. You looked the part, and I got it handed to you after that. For me, like, you were one of the strongest kids we've got this season, vocally. You really are. And I want you to know that. Give credit to yourself. You look amazing. You've done well with that then. With that note at the end, if you didn't feel like you could get it right in the house or something, don't do it. You know, because I'd rather you come out and smash it exactly bang on like you did all the way through. Your timing, your pitch, everything. It was bang on. Like I said, the only thing you need to be working on, I've mentioned this to you before, is the mic control. When you're going into your lower beds, make sure you go nice and close up here, alright? That's the only thing. But that was definitely, for me, my favourite performance I've ever witnessed of it. So well done. Well done.